always hungry after my morning exercises.
What'll it be? Toast and jam? Oatmeal? Or my famous scrambled space eggs?
Ooh, scrambled space eggs, please.
I hate to break this to everyone, but I was just in the kitchen. We're out of eggs.
No eggs? Really?
Ooh, maybe we can get some more.
I like that idea.
So does my tummy.
Well, that sounds like a mission, and you know what that means. It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We need to get some eggs so we can make breakfast.
Rob's famous scrambled space eggs breakfast.
That sounds like an excellent mission. Let's see where you can go.
Hey, it's the math planet. I like to count, but it doesn't add up to a solution to our problem. We won't find any eggs there.
The camping planet. Not really the place to find eggs either.
The farm planet. I bet we can find eggs there. Farm fresh eggs.
Yes, the farm planet. An egg-tastic choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone. Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts.
Next stop, the farm planet.
I see. Chickens!
Eggs come from chickens. So where there are chickens, there are sure to be eggs.
Hey ho! I'm Farmer Fred, and who might you be?
Hi, I'm Rob, and these are my friends, TK, Orbit, and Emma.
Hey there. Hello.
Hi.
Mighty nice to meet y'all. What brings you to my farm planet?
We're on a mission to find farm fresh eggs.
Well, you've come to the right place. Only I haven't had time to do the morning egg collecting yet. I've been so busy fixing this old tractor, I haven't had a chance to do my other chores. You see, if you folks help me by collecting the eggs, I'll give you as many as you need. How does that sound?
Yeah! That sounds like a great deal, Farmer Fred.
You've all done farm work before, right?
No, but it's okay. I bet we'll be done before you know it. Won't we, guys?
Right.
Yeah.
I should warn you, sometimes a simple-sounding job can be tough if you haven't done it before. So if you need help,
We can do it!
okay then. The eggs are in that chicken coop.
Let's get cracking!
Something tells me they'll be back.
Look out, eggs. Here come the great egg collectors.
Oh no! The chickens escaped. I better go get help from Farmer Fred.
But we let them escape, so we should get them back again.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, let's go round up those chickens.
To orbit. Uh-oh.
Orbit, what did you do?
It wasn't me. The cow did it.
That's not a cow, Orbit. That's a bull.
Okay, but now, before we can collect the eggs or catch the chickens, we need to fix the fence. The bull knocked over.
Hup, you and TK go after the chickens, and Orbit and I will get this fence fixed.
You know, I might be better at fence fixing than chicken catching. Let me see if I've got something in my tummy trunk that can help.
TK, don't move.
I don't think he likes the color red, TK, and you're red all over.
No, come back. Come back.
She didn't really mean it.
Oh.
I guess he doesn't like pink either.
This egg collecting thing is dangerous. Yeah, now we have to collect the eggs, catch the chickens, fix the fence, and stop that crazy cow. It's a bull, Orbit.
Hey, what happened to Rob?
Huh? Uh-oh. What do we do?
Now might be a good time to call for help.
Definitely.
Help!
Oh, there. Calm down now. Calm down.
Wow.
Thanks.
How did you do that?
Oh, this old bull can be a bit grumpy. You just need to know how to talk to him. Looks like you could use a little help.
Maybe more than a little.
Yeah, turns out farm work is harder than we thought.
Well, there's nothing wrong with accepting a little help when you need it. Like, I sure could use some help fixing that old tractor.
TK at your service.
Thanks.
Yeah! Thanks, Emma. Yeah!
Thanks for all the eggs, Farmer Fred.
My pleasure. I couldn't have fixed my tractor without asking you for help. I'm much obliged.
Mission accomplished. Mission control?
Hi, Rob. You're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, we met Farmer Fred. While he was busy working on his tractor, he agreed to let us collect some eggs. Only the chickens got loose, and then we broke a fence. And then we got chased by a robo-bull. But we also learned that it's okay to ask for help and to accept it when someone offers it. Farmer Fred helped us, and we helped him.
Well done. What an egg-sighting mission. As soon as we're back in space, you can cook up some of those farm-fresh eggs. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
TK will have it fixed in a minute.
Did you fix it, TK? No, but I found the problem. One of the rocket boosters is broken.
Oh no.
A busted booster?
Oh no, that's horrible, terrible, and even worse. Ah! That is bad, isn't it? Yes. If the good booster fails, the rocket will just stop. We have to get a new booster to replace the broken one. Then what are we waiting for? Garage Planet, here we come. That's our second problem.
Huh?
What do you mean, second problem? The Garage Planet is too far away. The rocket will never make it all that way with only one good booster.
Well, there must be some place we can find a second booster. Someplace closer.
There's no time to lose. We have a mission, and you know what that means. It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission Control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We've got to find a rocket booster to replace our broken one.
That sounds serious. Let's see where you can go. Round and round the planets go. Which one stops, nobody knows.
I bet there are all kinds of spare parts on the puzzle planet. But they're puzzle parts, not rocket parts.
Hey, what about the farm planet?
I'm sure we'd find a red rooster, but we need a rocket booster. That looks like a place where we might find rocket parts.
Yes, the junkyard planet. Excellent choice. Now get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Next stop, the junkyard planet.
Whoa! I guess this is where old broken rocket ships go.
Ooh.
Sorry, Rocket. I didn't mean you.
Don't worry. Once we find you another booster, you'll be as good as new. Okay, gang, let's spread out.
What? Sorry, didn't mean to scare you. Who did you think it was? The junkyard ghost? Ooh. Cut it out, Orbit. I'm gonna go look over there. Huh? What was that? Orbit, I heard a noise. Ooh. But I did hear something. Relax. There's no one here but us. Yes, you're right. I'm just being silly. Nope, not rocket boosters. Someone there?
We're the only ones here.
I thought I saw someone.
Huh?
Well, you must have imagined you saw someone.
Well, I'm not imagining. Those footprints
TK. They don't really look like footprints to me.
Maybe that's what Junkyard Go's footprints look like.
No, I'm sure something's out there.
Well, I'm still hoping there's a used rocket booster out there, somewhere. But we won't know until we find it. Let's go. You want to stick with me, TK?
No, it's okay, Rob. Thanks. Someone drew this flower. Ooh. Whoa, and someone made this garden and twined the flowers. Huh? I knew it. I knew there was someone here. Wait, she was just as afraid as I was. Hello? Sorry, did I scare you? I didn't mean to. That's your garden, isn't it? I think you like flowers. Do you like the one I made? It's not as pretty as yours. But you can have it if you like. Huh? My name's TK. I'm glad you like it.
I'm starting to think there isn't one rocket booster on this whole planet.
I found one! I think I found one! Over here! I need help! I've almost got it! I might have been mistaken.
There's no way across. How are we gonna get over? We're trapped.
But not TK.
But what can TK do?
I don't know, Orbit, but at least she's on the other side.
TK!
Look out! Run, TK, run!
There's a monster after you! She's not a monster. This is Blossom. I named her that because she really likes flowers. See? I knew there was someone here. Hey! How did you get stuck way over there? It's a long story.
What's important is how we're gonna get back across.
Maybe TK's new friend can help us.
What about it, Blossom? Can you help my friends?
Ooh. Thanks, Blossom.
So, did you find another booster to replace this broken one?
No.
Blossom, where are you going?
Yeah! Rocket boosters!
That does it. The rocket is all fixed.
Then it's mission accomplished. Thanks to Blossom. Yeah! Mission control?
Hi, Rob. You're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, we went to the junkyard planet to try to find a new booster to fix the rocket. But while we were looking, TK found some strange footprints. But even though TK's new friend did look a little bit like a monster, she really wasn't. She was really nice. And she rescued us when we were stuck. helped us find the piece we were looking for to fix the rocket, and helped us learn that you can't tell what someone is like just by the way they look.
Well done. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Goodbye, Blossom. Goodbye, Junkyard Planet. You're just in time. We're going to play show and share, and Orbit's up first.
Ooh, today, the thing I want to show and share is my space top. When you spin it really fast,
It balances on its tiny tip. Yeah, we know, Orbit.
That's because you always show your space top for show and share.
maybe you have something new to show and share with us? Nope. Nothing new. How about you, TK? Or Rob? Or Emma? It looks like we all have the same things we usually show and share. No one has anything new.
Then I think this means we all have something new. A new mission. To find something new for each of us to show and share. And you know what that means. It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We need to find new things for show and share.
Okay, then. Let's see where you can go. Round and round the planets go. Which one stops, nobody knows.
How about Tree Planet?
But we learned all about trees the last time we visited. We need to branch out and find new things to show and share.
Ew! Stinky Foot Planet? I don't think we want to go there.
You're right, TK. We don't want to play show and smell. Ooh, I bet we'd find all kinds of interesting things there.
Discovery Planet. Excellent choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone. Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts.
Next stop, Discovery Planet.
Okay, let's go see what we can find for show and share.
Hooray! Let's go! Come on!
Hey, wait for me.
Bouncing balls! This place has all kinds of cosmically cool things.
Wow. I've never seen a rock like that before.
Okay, Rob. We're ready.
We all found something really cool for show and share.
So did I.
But it's just a rock.
Yeah, but it has stripes and a hole right through the middle. Neat, huh?
Does it do anything?
I don't think so. It's just a rock.
That's what I said. There are tons more interesting things around here than a rock.
Yeah, like what I found. Come on. Ta-da! Here's my show and share. What is it? It's a radio, I think. It plays music. Let me show you.
That doesn't play music.
It makes noise! Loud noise!
Can't wait! Shut it off! I can't get close enough. Aha! But maybe this can. One extender arm going out. Way to go, TK! Oops. Way to go. Well, I thought my show and share was a radio, but it's actually a noisemaker. A very loud noisemaker.
That was a great show and share, TK. But wait till I show you mine. My show and share is a pogo stick. To use it, you just get on and hop, hop, hop around. I'll show you.
That's not hopping, Emma. That's spinning. It's making me dizzy. Yeah, but it looks like fun.
Ah, fun!
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Whoa, that pogo stick was awesome!
Actually, it's more like a whirly stick than a pogo stick because it spins you round and round.
Thanks for showing and sharing the whirly stick, Emma. It was fun. Okay, now it's my turn. Come on. My show and share is this cool mini flying saucer. Cool. Awesome. And I think this bug makes it really fly. Cool. Glittering galaxies. I've never heard of a rolling saucer. Me neither. But I think it wants us to chase it. Come on! There it goes!
Come on!
Huh? This is like a game of cat and mouse.
Wait, I've got a plan. Okay, we're going to do that.
Huh?
We win!
Great work, guys! Now I can finish my show and share. Ahem. Like I said before, my show and share is a flying, rolling saucer that plays cat and mouse. The end.
That was fun. Thanks, Orbit.
Well, we sure have discovered lots of things today.
Especially that things are not always what they seem to be.
Rockin' robots. Maybe that rock I found earlier isn't just a rock either.
I bet Rob's right. Let's go see.
Well, it sure feels like a rock.
And it's hard like a rock. Ooh! It smells like a rock, too. Yuck! Here, Emma. Catch!
That didn't sound like a rock.
Oh,
Looks like we all found a special new something to show and share.
That's right, Emma, which means mission accomplished. Mission Control?
Hi, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, we came to Discovery Planet to find new things for show and share. But we discovered that nothing we found was what we thought it was. TK's radio didn't play music like she thought. It made loud noises. And Emma's pogo stick was really a whirling stick. And Orbit's flying saucer was really a rolling saucer. Finally, we discovered that the rock I found wasn't just a rock. It also made awesome sounding space music. So we learned that things aren't always what they seem to be.
Well done. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. 5, 4, 3,